Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Finally, just click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!